Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Today's Hanuman Chalisa verse is Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahate Kavi Kobida Kahi Sakai Kahate. Yama, God of death; Kubera, God of wealth; Dikpala, gods of 8 directions; Kavi, poet; Kovida, singer or jnani; Kahi, how; Sakai, able; Kahate, to say. Yama, Kubera, Dikpalas, poets and singers or jnanis, they cannot describe your greatness properly. Here Tulsi ji said Yama, Kubera, Dikpala. There are 8 directions, and each one has specific god to protect that direction. It is described in Shastra, Indro Vannihi Pitrupatihi Nairuto Varuno Marut Kubera Ishaha Patayaha Purvadinam Disham Kramat. Indra, Agni, Yama, Niruti, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera and Isha. These are the 8 Dikpalakas. Indra, he is the ruler of East, and he is the king of heaven, and he is responsible for lightning, thunder, rains and rivers. Agni, he is the fire god. He is the protector of southeast, and he is considered as mouth of gods. That is why we do fire ceremony or homam to please all the devas, and we firmly believe our offerings will reach through Agni to respective gods. He is one of the 5 elements of the material existence of this universe. Yama, he is the god of death and protector of south direction. Also, he is the ruler of departed souls or lord of Pitru. Hence, south direction is not considered good in Vastu Shastra. Niruti, Nairuta, anything you can call. He is the caretaker of southwest, and he is the ruler of demons and other unsatisfied souls or pishachis. That is why southwest is also not considered auspicious one. Varuna, he is the ruler of west direction. He is the god of rain, water and oceans. He is the guardian of moral laws. Vayu, he is the ruler of the northwest. He is the god of air and one of the 5 elements of this materialistic universe, also source of the life. Kubera, he is the ruler of north. He is the god of wealth. Also, he is the ruler of Yakshas, Gandharvas and Apsaras. Ishana, he is the ruler of northeast. He is culmination of knowledge and wealth. Also, it is called as Devamoola. People try to build their worship place in this direction. And Kavi, Shukacharya, the narrator of Bhagavatam to King Parikshita. Suta Muni, the narrator of spirituality to other rishis or sages. So, these are the knowledgeable people. Kovida, and Kovida means Jnani. Brihaspati, god of wisdom, and he is the teacher, preacher, counselor, and prime advisor of all gods. All these people cannot say your glory, or they are not able to fully explain or express your glory. These are all distinguished people. They have very high qualities, high caliber. They have expertise in particular area. Still, they won't be able to explain your glory. Because they have boundaries, they have limitations, and they have limitation with their area of expertise or field of experience or power of authority. So, but your glory is boundaryless, it's limitless. So, it crossed beyond their limits. So, they won't be able to completely express or explain your glory because you are limitless. So, in this verse and previous two verses, who can all sing your glory and who should sing your glory? And even if someone can try, they cannot fully explain your glory. That is also explained by Tulsi ji. Here we must understand one thing. Sometimes we get upset with someone because they did not recognize our capacity, or they are disrespectful to us, or something else. We will get disappointed. We will get upset. Sometimes they sit our back and talk all the nonsense, and sometimes humiliate us with sarcastic handshake, sarcastic stare, or with some unpleasant words. Most of the times we react, but we have to learn to ignore those types of people. Just be friends with them, but don't get upset with their remarks. Don't get overwhelmed with their praises either. We should keep quiet. Because they think certain field of expertise people only knowledgeable and others are not, or others are useless. But see, there are different expertises in different fields. Take the medicine, take the engineering world, take the science world, take the teaching profession, take any profession. The expertise level is totally different. Everyone is different from different. Every person to person, profession to profession, expertise level is totally different. That is why Tulsi ji mentions all these Ashtadikpalakas, Kavi, Kovida, Brahma, Narada, Sharada, and all these things. They are great in their area of expertise. Some, they can explain your glory, some may not. So everyone has their own knowledge as well as their own limitations. So in front of them, these Ashtadikpalakas and Kavi and Kovida, we are nothing. So if someone is disrespectful to us by thinking or terming as useless, don't worry. Just smile, move on. Don't react. Our reactions will give extra energy to them. So keep quiet. We have our own limitations. They have their own ignorance. Hope you all enjoy it. God bless you all. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.